Howdy, partners. Get ready to impress your holiday guests with a show-stopping appetizer that's as delicious as it is beautiful, the Holiday Wreath Caprese Salad. This dish is not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a visual delight that will make your holiday table look absolutely stunning. This festive twist on the classic Italian starter is surprisingly easy to assemble, even for us kitchen novices. You don't need to be a master chef to create this masterpiece. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of creativity, you can put together a dish that looks like it came straight out of a gourmet magazine. Trust me, it'll be the star of your holiday spread. Imagine your guests' faces lighting up as they see this beautiful wreath of fresh ingredients. It's not just food, it's a centerpiece that brings joy and festivity to your gathering. This ain't your grandma's salad, no sir. We're taking the traditional caprese and giving it a holiday makeover. It's a modern twist that combines the best of both worlds. Classic flavors with a contemporary presentation. We're talking fresh mozzarella, juicy tomatoes, and fragrant basil, all arranged in a stunning wreath shape that screams Christmas cheer. The colors alone, red, white, and green, are enough to get anyone into the holiday spirit. And the best part? You can whip it up faster than Santa delivers presents on Christmas Eve. It's quick, it's easy, and it's guaranteed to impress. So, roll up your sleeves, get those ingredients ready, and let's make this holiday season one to remember, with a dish that's as festive as it is flavorful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more festive recipes and holiday fun. Happy holidays, everyone. All right, let's rustle up the ingredients for our masterpiece. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, so let's make sure we have everything we need to create a dish that's not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Don't worry, this ain't no grocery store scavenger hunt. We're keeping it simple and fun. Just imagine yourself strolling through a festive market, picking up the freshest ingredients with a smile on your face. You just need a handful of goodies, the kind that make your kitchen smell like a dream and your taste buds dance with joy. 1 12-ounce package fresh mozzarella balls, drained and patted dry. Look at you, getting fancy with the Italian. Because nothing says gourmet like fresh mozzarella. 1 pint cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered if you're feeling ambitious. These little gems add a burst of color and sweetness to our creation. 1/2 cup fresh basil leaves, the more the merrier, I always say. Their aromatic fragrance will elevate our dish to new heights. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, the good stuff, you hear? This liquid gold will bring everything together with its rich, smooth flavor. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, because every dish needs a little sass. These simple seasonings will enhance all the natural flavors. And fresh rosemary sprigs for garnish, our secret weapon for festive flair. These sprigs not only add a touch of elegance, but also a hint of piney freshness that screams holiday cheer. Now that we've gathered all our ingredients, it's time to get creative. Arrange them on your countertop. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and fresh scents. This is where the magic begins. With everything in place, you're ready to start crafting your culinary masterpiece. Remember, the key to a great dish is not just the ingredients, but the love and care you put into it. So, let's get started and make something truly special. Now, let's get down to business. This part's so easy, you could probably do it with your eyes closed, though I wouldn't recommend it, might get messy. First things first, drain those mozzarella balls and give them a gentle pat with a paper towel. No one likes a soggy salad. Am I right? Then, slice those cherry tomatoes in half, or quarters if you're feeling fancy. Just try to keep them roughly the same size so they play nice in our wreath. Section 4. Assembling your edible wreath. Let's get festive. The holiday season is all about bringing joy and warmth into our homes, and what better way to do that than with a festive edible wreath? All right, here comes the fun part. This is where you can really let your creativity shine and make something truly special. Grab a large platter or serving dish, you know, the one you save for special occasions. This dish will be the canvas for your culinary masterpiece. Now, imagine you're building a beautiful Christmas wreath. Think of it as a piece of art that you can eat. Start by arranging the mozzarella balls. These will be the base of your wreath, providing a creamy and delicious foundation. And tomato halves in a circle, alternating between the two. The red and white colors will give it that classic holiday look. Tuck those vibrant green basil leaves in between, adding a touch of freshness and a pop of color, like little pops of holiday cheer. The green of the basil will make your wreath look even more festive and inviting. And don't be afraid to get creative with it. You can add other ingredients like olives, roasted peppers, or even some nuts for extra texture and flavor. There's no right or wrong way to build your wreath, so let your imagination run wild. Just have fun with it. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and make memories with your loved ones. Happy holidays! Section 5. The Rosemary Sprig Surprise. Now for the pièce de résistance, those rosemary sprigs. Remember those sprigs of rosemary we talked about? Well, now's their time to shine. Gently tuck them around the wreath like tiny little Christmas trees. Not only do they add a festive touch, but they also infuse the salad with their wonderful woodsy aroma. Talk about a feast for the senses. Section 6, the balsamic glaze finale. A pro tip: want to take your wreath salad from wow to wowza? Drizzle it with a balsamic glaze. Just grab your favorite balsamic glaze, store-bought is perfectly fine, and drizzle it over the wreath in a zigzag pattern. This adds a touch of sweetness and acidity that perfectly complements the other flavors. Plus, it looks mighty impressive. Section 7, ready to impress? There you have it, folks, your very own Holiday Wreath Caprese Salad, ready to steal the show at your next holiday gathering. Serve it as a festive appetizer or alongside your favorite holiday main course. Your guests will be so impressed, they'll be singing your praises all the way to the new year. Happy holidays, y'all!